In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add connector lines in Figma. This is a super useful skill for anyone creating flowcharts, user journey maps, or any kind of diagram where you need to show relationships and direction between different elements on your artboard. Using connector lines helps keep your designs clear, organized, and easy to understand, especially when collaborating with others or presenting your work. While Figma has basic line tools, dedicated connector plugins offer dynamic connections that adapt as you move your elements, which is incredibly powerful for complex diagrams. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Plugins section within Figma. You can usually find this by clicking on the main Figma menu icon, which is often a small blue F or a hamburger menu, located in the top left corner of your interface. Once the menu expands, look for the Plugins option and hover over it. This will reveal a list of your installed plugins and give you the option to browse plugins in Community if you need to install one. Since Figma's native line tool creates static lines, we rely on plugins for intelligent, responsive connector lines that automatically adjust their path when you reposition the connected shapes. This feature is a game changer for maintaining clean diagrams. Next, from your list of available plugins, you'll need to locate and click on Arrow Connector. If you haven't installed it yet, you'd first search for Arrow Connector or similar terms like Flowchart Connector in the Figma Community tab and install it. Once you select it from your plugins list, the Arrow Connector tool will become active, typically presenting a small modal window or a prompt on your screen. This plugin is specifically designed to facilitate the creation of dynamic connections, making the process much smoother than manually drawing and adjusting lines. It understands the relationship between objects, ensuring your lines stay attached and visually coherent even through multiple revisions and layout changes. This is where the magic happens for creating professional-looking diagrams. Finally, with the Arrow Connector plugin active, you simply need to select two elements that you want to connect. The process is usually intuitive. You click on your first desired element and then click on your second element. As soon as you select the second object, the plugin will automatically draw a connector line, often with an arrowhead, spanning between the two selected items. This line isn't just a static path, it's smart. If you later decide to move either of the connected elements to a different position on your canvas, the connector line will automatically stretch, bend, or reroute itself to maintain the connection. This dynamic behavior saves you a tremendous amount of time and effort compared to manually adjusting lines every time you tweak your layout. You can also explore the plugin settings to customize the appearance of these lines, perhaps changing their color, thickness, dash pattern, or the style of the arrowheads to match your diagram's aesthetic. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently add intelligent connector lines to your Figma designs, elevating your flowcharts and diagrams to a new level of clarity and maintainability.